what we have here is ingenious. So this is a magnet mounted or hard mounted, up to you. There is a sticker backing if you want to use the sticker backing. There are 2 screws included if you want to screw it hard mount in. This simply goes on by the magnet. You can put your direction for your motion sensor any which way you choose. It is USB-C charged. It does have the Bluetooth speaker that plugs in the house, so you can hook this up anywhere you need for your motion detected, and this will be your alarm for it. I'll show you guys how it works, but then I'm going to use this on my camping trips. Simply unscrew the top, add your battery. Your off and on switch is right here. We're going to magnet mount that. Different options. For your bells.